For good health, your breath is responsible. Let's take an example. All over world, there are certain countries where air quality is very good, and there are countries where the quality of air is very poor. If the quality of air is good, people they are healthy, and if this quality is bad, people they are suffering. They have so many diseases. Quality of breathing, the way how you are breathing equal to your growth, and if you don't have this power, then there are chances where you may lose your path. For our journey for good life, it is advisable to grow with the techniques of breathing. Pranam. Prayers for you and your loved ones. In today's session, we will learn three easy techniques to improve our breathing pattern. For good health, your breath is responsible. The way how you are breathing, you are developing yourself, you're developing your health. To grow with your body, to grow with your mind, or to grow in your life, you need to go deep with the understanding of breathing. So, once you are able to accept and understand the power of breath, we need to work for the quality of this breathing. Let's take an example. All over world, there are certain countries where air quality is very good, and there are countries where the quality of air is very poor. If the quality of air is good, people they are healthy, and if this quality is bad, people they are suffering. They have so many diseases. So quality of air equal to quality of life. Like that, quality of breathing, the way how you are breathing equal to your growth, and if you don't have this power, then there are chances where you may fall down, you may lose your path. For our journey for good life, it is advisable to grow with the techniques of breathing, and for that we have a very special method, pranayama. So today we will learn Nadi shodhan pranayama, which will help you to improve your breathing process. When we are talking about three ways to improve our breathing process, in these three ways, first will be our habit to use nostrils instead of mouth. Those who become habitual to breathe with their mouth, they have so many strange physical issues, and at the same time it is observed their immunity is impacted negatively if they are breathing with mouth. So our first method to improve our breathing will be using our nostrils instead of mouth, to not to use mouth while breathing. Now in this, remember, there are certain pranayamas where we use a nostril, there are certain pranayamas where we use mouth, and then there are certain techniques where we use mouth and nostril both. But that is about learning the technique. To use this technique for your growth, to use these techniques for your life, you need to remember, use only nostrils. Now, second way, because we are living in a very closed atmosphere, and our the way how our houses they are built, the way how we are building our cities, our lifestyle, it's very artificial. It's with the dead matter. We don't have the access to forest, we don't have access to life. So when you're living in city, when you're living in this kind of atmosphere, make sure that in 24 hours you move out from these closed containers and allow your body to experience fresh air, allow your body to experience natural light. This is very important because the way how you are living, especially the life of corporates. Sometimes you miss seeing the sun. Sometimes you don't even know that there is something known as full moon. There are stars, and once in a year, when you go for some outing, maybe to a mountain or some hiking, running, there, when you see the stars and moon, you go fascinated, you become so happy. You need to involve these practices in your day to day routine. Nature is giving you the access to this power every day. Every day you can experience sunlight, every day you can experience fresh air, every day you can go out in nature. Arrangements need to be done. So, second step, second way, or second execution plan is exposing yourself to sunlight, exposing yourself to fresh air. This will add value to your body, this will add value to your health. Third way, the third step to improve breathing pattern is consciously working with your food. Make sure that you have a healthy food in your diet. If we are consuming dead food, then it will impact our immunity, it will impact our lung capacity. So every day something fresh need to be consumed by us. See, when we talk about a burger, we talk about a pizza, pasta, they're good for your taste, they're good for your lifestyle, the way how you are living. But if you miss fruits, if you miss vegetable, then you are missing the taste. You are missing something which is very, very essential for your health. Allow these natural chemicals to enter in your body. They will help you to improve your breathing pattern. These three simple ways, they will build your foundation for good breathing method, good breathing process. Now, today we are learning Nadi Shodhan Pranayama, which will help you to multiply your breathing power. So in Nadi Shodhan, there are two important points. First is right side Nadi Shodhan. Nadi meaning channel, Shodhan meaning cleansing. So right side nostril need to be clean. Then left side Nadi Shodhan, left side channel need to be clean. To clean our right side, we use Surya Nadi Shodhan, and to clean our left side, we use Chandra Nadi Shodhan. So let's learn these techniques. For Surya Nadi Shodhan, you close your left nostril. To close your left nostril, you can use your left hand or you can use your right hand. Now in this, you inhale through right and exhale through left. Inhale through right and exhale through left is Surya Nadi Shodhan. Like that. To work on your Chandra Nadi, moon channel, you close your right nostril. Same way, what you did with your Surya Nadi, similarly, you're working with your Chandra Nadi, moon channel. You inhale through left nostril and you exhale through right nostril. So inhale through your left nostril and exhalation through your right nostril is Chandra Nadi Shodha. So both the practices you can do in early morning. Early morning 5 minutes you can give for both the channels. If you start working on this cleansing process, in future when you will go deep with your advanced training for pranayama, these practices, they will make you more powerful. When things are clean, they are very welcoming, they invite you, they attract you, they give you sense of calmness. A clean place becomes the place of God. A clean place is the place of positive energies. So when you clean your channels, they attract higher forces, and that's what the power of the Nadi Shodhan is. So practice these two techniques to understand the cleansing process, and once you are done with this, we will be ready to move further for our advanced training. This is for the day. With more questions, more practice, we'll meet soon. Namo Himalaya.